Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel All-in-1K, and in this video we can discuss about features of C++, and this is our fourth video of C++ series. So let's start it. So friends, first feature of C++ is simple. It is simple to use and simple to understand. Second is clarity. Third is machine independent or portable. C++ is a machine independent language. Fourth is C++ is mid-level programming language. Basically, there are three types of programming languages. First is low-level programming language, second is mid-level programming language, and third is high-level programming language. But C++ is the mid-level programming language. Then fifth feature is structured programming language. C++ is a structured programming language. Then sixth feature is it has rich library. Then memory management. Then quicker completion. Then in C++ pointers are include. This is one of the feature, pointers. Then recursion, it is extensible. C++ is also object oriented, and C is not an object oriented programming language, but C++ is a object oriented programming language. Then it is compiler based programming language. C++ is compiler based. This is the one feature. Then it is national standards. It has national standards. We can reuse the code. That's why it is reusability, one of the feature. Then errors are easily detected. In C++, errors are easily detected. Then power and flexibility. Then strongly typed language. Then redefine exciting operators. In C++, we can use abstract data types, and C++ is used to modeling real world problems. If this video is helpful to you, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for latest upcoming videos. Thank you guys.